I'm always looking for quick and easy meals because your girl is always busy. And Lucky Me Noodles really came through because they sent me a ton of instant noodles to try. So let's try. Today I'm going to try the Chicken Mommy, the artificial chicken flavor, the Bulalo artificial beef and bone marrow flavor, as well as the Papa Choy, the artificial beef flavor with garlic. I'm gonna start with the Chicken Mommy. Has a savory chicken flavor. Not bad, not bad. Second, I'm gonna try La Paz Pachoy. This one looks good. Oh, shit. It's all good. It's garlicky. Oh, I like this one. Last one is the Bulalo. Beef and bone marrow. Wow. My favorite is definitely La Paz Pachoy, which is the beef and garlic. I would say that this one has the strongest flavor, and I personally really like garlic, so this one's my favorite. Honestly, guys, I have a very high standard for instant noodles, and these are really good, and $2, worth it.